Hi everyone, my name is Chef Paisley and today I'm going to show you how to make a parfait with homemade granola. Hi, let's cook a special treat together. Come on, let's go. First, you'll need 2.5 cups oats. Old-fashioned oats or quick oats, your choice. This is a very quick and simple recipe. Next, you'll need 3/4 cups chopped almonds. This looks good already. After you have done that, you'll need a 1/2 teaspoon salt. Next, you'll need a 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. Let's mix it good. Make sure you get all the stuff from the bottom. I like what the cinnamon does. It gives it lots of flavor and it makes it smell good. I like how the recipe is very healthy and fun. Now for the wet ingredients. You'll need a 1/2 cup pure maple syrup. We don't add white sugar because that's not very healthy. After, you'll need a 1/4 cup of melted butter or coconut oil. And last, 1 tablespoon vanilla. This looks good. Boop. All done with the vanilla. Now we'll need to mix it very good. Yeah. I also like what the maple syrup does. It helps all the granola stick together, like a family working together to build something. You might need some help from an adult. Now we're going to spread it out on a baking sheet, silicone baking mat, or parchment paper. If you don't know how to pick up the bowl, then just do 1 scoop at a time. This is my favorite recipe because it's so healthy and I love it in parfaits. And that's what we're going to make next. Now we're going to spread it out. So you'll have to get a spatula or something that will help you, and you just spread it out evenly, like you're spreading frosting on a cake. Now we're going to bake it at 300 degrees for 45 minutes. But every 15 minutes, you'll have to stir it around in the oven. Yes! Mom, look. I did that.
Can we wipe this down? Okay, so you're gonna use.
Yeah.
Hopefully something big.
Now it's time to make our parfait. You'll need a scoop or two of strawberry or raspberry yogurt. I like to use a lot. You can never have around too much yogurt. Let's try a little more. I think that's good. And now we'll need a little bit of granola. Oops. It's okay. If you make a mess, you'll have to clean it up, but it's fun to cook, right? It's worth it. Now we'll need a spoonful of strawberries or raspberries. This looks so good. Afterwards, you'll need more yogurt. Good. Now we'll need a spoonful of granola. You can be creative. You can add blueberries, you can add bananas, you can do whatever you want. And now for the finishing touch. A few more strawberries. That looks good. This parfait looks amazing. Now it's time for my favorite part, the taste test. And these are my Mimi and Puppy. Let's try it.
Looks delicious. Outstanding.
Amazing.
This is one of my favorite snacks to eat with my two sisters. Thanks for watching. Bye. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel.